Hello and welcome. Today we are going to talk about the circulatory system or the cardiovascular system. The circulatory system is a network composed of heart, a centralized pumping organ, the blood vessels that distribute blood throughout the body, and the blood itself for the transportation of different substances. The circulatory system is divided into two separate loops. Number one, the shorter pulmonary circuit that exchanges the blood between the heart and the lungs, and the longer systemic circuit that distributes blood throughout the body through arteries. Now the question here arises, how does the circulatory system actually works? The circulatory system functions with the help of blood vessels that include arteries, veins and capillaries. The heart is a pumping organ and is of muscular nature. The heart is divided into the four chambers, two atria and two ventricles. The left atrium and the left ventricle is called a left heart. The right atria and the right ventricle is called a right heart. The left heart receives oxygenated blood from the lungs through pulmonary vein. The right heart receives deoxygenated blood. Since there is no mixing of oxygenated and the deoxygenated blood, the process is called a double circulation. The left atrium sends this oxygenated blood into the left ventricle or the lower chamber. This muscular part of the heart pumps blood throughout the body through arteries. The veins carry deoxygenated blood and the carbon dioxide back into the right part of the heart. The heart then pumps deoxygenated blood into the lungs through the pulmonary artery to get oxygenated. And this completes the pulmonary and the systemic circulation. Let us discuss the blood vessels. There are three main types of the blood vessels: the arteries, the veins and the capillaries. The arteries are the thick, muscular tubes that carry oxygenated blood from heart to the rest of the body. The aorta is the body's largest artery. These blood vessels return deoxygenated blood from the rest of the body towards the heart. Now let us see the structure of the blood vessel. The blood vessel is composed of three concentric layers: the tunica intima, the internal layer; tunica media, the middle layer; and tunica externa, the outer layer. The larger arteries narrow into the smaller arterioles. The arterioles further narrow into the blood capillaries. The blood capillaries are made up of single-layer endothelial cells. The capillaries are the site of the gas exchange, where the exchange of the gas takes place, where the nutrients and the hormones are delivered to the cells, tissues and organs of the body. After leaving the capillaries, the deoxygenated blood enters into the venules and the venules form the veins.